Yeah, the worst thing about being natural is that I don't like my hair to get kinky. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashoda and this is RaShoda.makemeovah. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing. If you're already subscribing, then welcome back, Glam Fam. So today, you are going to get a taste of the 90s hairstyle. Right here, I'm going to do a little swoopity doopy and a little flip action. I really love the 90s style, from their clothes, their hair, their makeup. Everything about the 90s, the music, it just brings me back. It's just nostalgia all over again. You know what I'm saying? So, we're going to do a very cute look. And if you go get your hair done at salon, how often do you go? A month? And comment below, like, how much you spend. Like, would you prefer to do your hair at home, y'all, or do y'all like to go to the salon? Me, personally, I like to do my hair at home because I can't stand waiting in the salon for someone to finish my hair. Like, I'm ready to get it over with, plus I need some money in my pockets. So, let's get into this look, y'all. Okay, right now I'm just going to go ahead and pull my hair up out of the way. I've already pressed down some of the hair in the back, so we're just going to go ahead and pull it up and out the way like this. Now I'm just going to section off a little bit of the back, pull it down, and we're going to press it out. And this is what my setting is on. It's on 232 degrees Celsius. And that's what it's on. So we're going to do a little chase method with the comb really quickly. And we're just going to do this all over my hair. We're going to take it nice and slow. I want it to be as straight as possible because your girl is all natural, okay? So I want it to be nice and straight. Like so. Take it nice and slow. I want it to be like bone straight. So, okay, there we go, there we go. Boom, diggity dog. Yeah, the worst thing about being natural is that I don't like my hair to get kinky. So, I try my best. Like, soon after I wash my hair, I go ahead and blow dry it. I, put my conditioner on it and everything and go ahead and blow dry it because I cannot stand when my hair gets all kinky and everything. So, yeah, that's why a lot of times I have, like, protective styles. And, y'all, I know I've seen a lot of comments, on other platforms saying, like, girls of color don't have hair because they wear wigs, but wigs are really like a protective style, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna try to do like a deep part on the side like that. And now that I got it all pressed out, I'm gonna get a hairpin and then, make this swoop stay. So I'll be right back. So I have 3 hairpins that I'm gonna use to secure the swoop. So I'm just gonna take my finger and swoop and part like on the side so like the ear can be exposed. And then we're going to swoop it out like this and bring it behind the ear like so, and then put one hairpin like this. And then I'm going to use the other to like make a little design. Okay, now that I got the hairpins in, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. So let's do that now. Let's see, we gotta get this nice little folio. Do the rest real quick. Okay, so I'm just gonna basically tease out the curls with my hands like this. I don't want to pull the curls out too much. And I went ahead and just put the remainder of my hair like behind my ear. I'm feeling all like very business lady, very classy, very chic and cute. I just love this hairstyle. It's just so professional, so pretty. Yeah, it's so girly. It's very girly. I love that. So I'm gonna take the Got To Be glue spray and then just lightly spray this. I don't want it to be too hard. I'm gonna spray the top of my head as well. Okay, so I think it's very cutesy patootsy. Comment below, what do y'all think? Should we bring back the 90s hairstyles more? I really like it. It's really pretty. Very girly. I didn't want to pull it out too much with my comb, but what you could do, like if you want to tease it, is like tease it down or up to make it fuller, but like don't comb it, you know what I'm saying? And that makes the curls look more fuller. Oh, I'm so stuffy. Okay, so like that. So I'm gonna comb it too much, but you know, you just like kind of like play with it, run your fingers through it. But I don't like to spray too much holding spray on it because I don't like my hair to be hard or anything. I don't like my hair to feel all crispy, like a Rice Krispie treat, you know what I'm saying? But I hope you love this look. Comment below. Let your girl know, would you do this at home? It's very simple, it's very easy. And, you know, give yourself a little cute little wash, blow dry, press it out, and flip. And if you want to swoop, you can swoop it, bust it down the middle, however you want to do it. You know, bring the flips back, y'all. They're so cute. I love them. But comment below. Let me know, like, what other 90s hairstyle I should rock, because I kind of want to bring back those hairstyles. So comment below. Let me know what you think I should rock next. All right, y'all. I will see you guys later. Remember, if someone is not serving you well, tell them what to go where, to the left, to the left. And remember, you are special and you hold a special place in my heart. I love you guys. Bye. Sometimes it's all